Good evening, everybody. Now we're gonna start our room tour. Dito po kami naka-check-in no, sa Playa Resort. Yes, dito sa Guimaras. So I can't remember if it's San Lorenzo Guimaras or Buena Vista. San Lorenzo Guimaras. Ayan. So first impression guys, parang medyo social yung dating natin ngayon. They pick us up sa port ng Buena Vista and then nag-drive kami ng mga 30 minutes before arriving here. Yun nga lang, gabi na nung dumating kami, kaya we're gonna tour you tomorrow para maliwanag naman. No? So, mabait sina ate sa front desk, nag-advance order na rin kami sa restaurant kasi parang wala namang malapit na mga kainan sa area kasi parang medyo bukid tsaka bundok yung aming dinaanan. So, this is our room. Nakita nyo sa labas, may nakasulat siya na no? Ano yung nakasulat dito? Superior Suite, di ba? Nakakasosyal siya. So, when you enter, ito yung agad makikita nyo. Feeling ko guys, Capiz shells to yung mga window nila, no? It's really nice. Capiz shells siya. So, parang very beachy. Hindi naman beachy, pero very, nakaka-beach. Very tropical yung vibes niya. So, pagdating nyo dito, meron tayong dalawang queen size na bed. Ayan, we have 2 queen size bed. Tamang-tama, hindi tayo mag-aagawan sa space sa kama. It's quite small, pero for the 4 of us, it's big enough na naman. Maliliit lang naman kasi kami, di ba? And then we have mga picture frames. And then we have a TCL television over here. Sinaksak na siya ni Kuya para sa atin. We have mugs, 4 siya. We have coffee and tea. And then we have dito, ito yata yung kanilang cabinet. We have a media na ref. It's on. Ayan, wala rin siyang laman. Wala tayong service water because meron tayong water dispenser. Ayan. So, minsan na kayo makakita ng hotel room na meron sariling water dispenser. So, now we're gonna go inside the bathroom. So, this is their ensuite toilet and bath. Wow. Ayan, ang luwag ng kanilang CR. And then, parang newly furbished siya, no? Kasi, marami pa siyang paint marks, tsaka wala siyang mga smudges ng dumi. We have a sink. Meron tayo ditong amenity kit. We're here, hi! And then ito yung ating toilet. Finally, we have a bidet. We have towels. Kasi guys, di ba sa Taiwan wala tayong bidet. And then we have towels, good na siya para sa ating 4. The room is good din, no, for 4 people. And then, how do you open this? You slide. Ayan, wow. Maganda, meron tayong shower head dito. Ayan. And yung mga lalagyan na ganyan. I really like their CR, ha. Simple lang siya, pero it's really clean and maluwag. So we booked this we booked this resort via phone call. Paano natin siya tinawagan? Via Rosebud. Binook natin siya sa phone number nila na makikita nyo sa kanilang Facebook page. And pag call nyo sa kanila guys, sabihin nyo lang yung ilang persons kayo, tsaka kung kailan kayo darating. Kasi madali rin silang ma-fully book since hindi naman ganun kadami yung rooms nila. So, swerte na nakabook kami for this trip. So, we're staying here for 3 days and 2 nights and we booked this for So guys, we booked this hotel, this room for 4,498 pesos per night. May kasama na siyang breakfast for 2 persons. Tapos ano pa ba yung mga amenities nila dito? Based sa kanilang Facebook, they have a banana boat, beachfront din siya. We will show you that tomorrow. So for now, pupunta muna tayo sa kanilang restaurant kasi gutom na kami. Kain na tayo. Let's go! Ganda, ang sarap ng hangin dito. And that one is already the sea, dagat na yan. So dito tayo sa restaurant. The restaurant is open until 10 p.m. Night swimming is also open until 10 p.m. nag-advance order kami, pero parang hindi rin naman nila in-advance niluto. But this is our food. We have kansi, meron din tayong sugba na baboy, and then we have lemonade. Okay. So tamang-tama siya kasi malamig yung hangin, nakakaanto. And we're by the dagat, so masarap yung sabaw tsaka yun. Hindi ako sure kung gutom lang ako or masarap talaga siya. And we are done with dinner, guys. How was the food?
Sarap.
Yeah. Hindi namin gets kung gutom lang kami or masarap talaga siya. So, pasyal-pasyal muna tayo dito, pambaba ng kinain. So, ito guys, meron silang recreational area. Pwede daw mag-team building dito. Hi guys, we are back in our room. Time check, it is 9:49 a.m. Joke, it is 9:49 p.m. So pagkatapos namin guys mag-dinner, nag-inquire kami para sa kanilang mga water sports activities, and we have this. So ito guys, yung kanilang mga water sports and outdoor activities. Meron silang banana boat. That's for 8 seaters, 1,600 pesos. 30 minutes na daw siya. They also have bingo 4. Para siyang para siyang ngayon, yung flying saucer sa Boracay. That's also 4 seaters. Meron silang 2-seater kayak. That's 300 pesos for 30 minutes. Jet ski rental, ATV, and bike rental. So tomorrow, siguro mga after lunch na kami. Kasi sabi ni Kuya sa front desk na water activities are only possible if high tide daw siya. So mostly after lunch. So siguro we're gonna do it around mga 3 p.m. onwards. Tsaka para hindi rin ganun kainit yung panahon. So the weather outside is fair. Hindi siya ganun kainit. Hindi rin naman siya umuulan. So it's cloudy. And isa pa pala guys, actually yung mga staff nila dito, they're really friendly, no? Marunong silang sumagot sa mga questions namin. So kudos to the staff, they're really kind. Thank you mga ate at sir. So that is it for our first day here in Playa de Paraíso Resort and Water Sports here in San Lorenzo, Guimaras. Okay, not yet. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
It's a yes!
감사합니다. Good morning, everybody! It's day 2 of our trip here in Guimaras. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, we're gonna go have breakfast. Let's go! Good morning! I smell the sea! Yan guys, may event sila doon. A family day. Yan na guys, ito yung ating restaurant. Tadaan! And there's the beach. We're gonna have breakfast there. So guys, food is served. May kasamang breakfast yung room natin. Good for 2 packs. And then nagdagdag lang kami ng additional 2, which is 248 pesos per head. Let's eat! We have bacon, rice, and sunny side up. Tapa and sunny side up. Bacon and scrambled eggs. Good afternoon guys. Time check, it is 2:43 p.m. Ngayon pa lang kami magla-lunch. Kasi wala, ginamit namin yung buong morning para mag-catch up. Catch up ng ano? Kwentong matagal na rin namang napagkwentuhan. Ulit-ulit lang. Magla-late lunch kami ngayon. Tingnan natin kung may available pa silang food. Kasi wala kayo talaga guys na mapapasyalan dito, no? Yun lang yung downside niya. Kasi tingnan nyo. Ayan, panay gubat yan, yung paligid natin. Yan yung exit. Although, complete na naman sila dito, no? And, they were even able to provide RB, or solution para sa kanyang contact lens. Which is something unusual na nire-request ng guest, pero they were able to offer that. Uy. Meron tayo guys, butter chicken and sinigang na tanige, and we waited that long. Okay, we waited for 44 minutes for the food. We are finally done with lunch. Ang next sa mga to-do list natin today, magsuswimming tayo. Gusto daw ni RB mag-banana boat. Pero parang kami ni Mina, parang gusto lang namin mag-kayak. Pero chill lang. Annyeonghaseyo everybody. We are finally back in our hotel room. So what did we do ngayong hapon? Okay, pagkatapos naming mag-late lunch, nag-proceed kaming mag-banana boat. And then after that, nag-swimming din kami. In fairness guys, yung banana boat, as we've mentioned sa previous episode, 1,800 pesos. Good na siya for 8 packs. Pero since 4 lang kami, so kaming 4 lang yung naghati-hati doon. And then, it's good for 30 minutes. And then, sobrang bait ng staff nila dito, guys. So, yung naghahatak ng banana boat is jet ski. And pagkatapos namin mag-banana boat, they even allowed us to use the jet ski for a few minutes. Which is really kind of them. Kasi first time namin ni RB sumakay ng first time ni RB mag-drive ng jet ski, and first time kong umangkas kay RB na nagda-drive ng jet ski. And si Mina naman tsaka si Don yung next na nag-drive din. So, yan, may pictures kami. I'll show you.
I'll show you.
Then after that, pumunta kami ng dalawa kasi guys yung pool nila dito. Meron yung dito sa baba, tsaka yung dun sa kabilang side. And doon kami sa kabilang side nag-try kasi wala naman tao doon. Patay yung ilaw originally. So, nung nakikita nila nag-swimming kami, what they did was they turned on the lights, and on nila yung parang fountain ba tawag doon. So, very kind si Manong, very attentive din yung kanilang manager sa guests. Which is a plus sa lugar na to, no? Sobrang na-in-love kami sa place na to because sobrang kind din and very approachable ng kanilang staff. So, now, kakatapos ko lang maligo, nagbabanaw na rin yung iba and naliligo because we're gonna start our Christmas party celebration. So, mamaya papakita ko sa inyo ano yung aming theme. Pero ito yung clue nyo. Naka-color yellow ko. Bakit kaya? Anyway, I'll see you later! One man show. See siya. Hi guys! We are back dito sa kanilang restaurant. Time check, it's almost 8 p.m. Umorder kami ng iba naman sa menu, which is pork sisig. Tapos pinainit namin yung natira naming sinigang na panigi kanina, which is pumayag naman sila. That's good. Tapos magsa-soft drinks naman tayo ngayon kasi natikman na namin yung lahat ng juice na nasa menu nila. Except lang sa calamansi juice kasi hindi siya available. And then, nakausap din namin yung manager, si Ma'am. Ma'am na tawag namin, hindi namin alam kanyang first name. Na actually, in development pa yung ibang parts ng resort, and then it's actually a 3-hectare property. Tapos they are planning to have an area for extracurricular activities like bowling range, yan. Para naman daw pag umuulan, may magawa pa rin yung guests indoor. And then they also have rooms available na merong 5 single beds, good for 6 persons. So pag grupo kayo, ayaw nyo magtabi-tabi kayo, pwede kayo doon. Nagtanong din sa amin si Ma'am kung okay lang ba daw yung jet ski namin, yung pag-try namin ng jet ski, and then yung aming pag-banana boat, which is we really had fun. Tapos tomorrow, since mag-check out na kami ng around 11:30 a.m., she is gonna ask the driver ng van na dalhin muna kami dun sa windmill. It's a 10-minute drive from here, and overlooking daw siya ng siguro parang dulo siya ng Guimaras. Kasi sabi niya overlooking daw siya, and very nice daw yung sunset doon. Although syempre pagpunta namin wala nang sunset, pero very nice daw yung sunset doon. Kasi dito, yung sunrise. So highly recommended guys ng itong Playa de Paraíso. They are planning to open these additional rooms, yung additional na parang convention hall nila by March 31 next year. So, ano pag hinihintay nyo, come visit Playa de Paraíso. So, kain muna tayo guys. Let us start our Christmas party. Ito ang aming simple backdrop. We're gonna have a photo shoot. Do you have any guesses kung ano kami? So, hello guys! Ita-challenge po namin yung self namin. Magsusolid po kami ng scotch tape at scissor sa lobby ng nakaganito.
Yo.
Kami sang ginulam na mo. Hi, ma'am! Success, guys. 짜잔! 안녕! Andito na po kami guys sa Point 17 and you have a view of the windmill dito sa Guimaras. So bakit nga daw siya tinawag na Point 17? Magtatanong tayo mamaya. Baka dahil ba 17 na windmills yung nandito? Bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ay 16, 17 hindi 17 na windmills. Maraming windmills dito guys.